What we recommend doing is when you've done your gain calculation with the gain calculation software, it'll come up with a total amount of proceeds for all your trading transactions. We basically take that number and double it, and we put it in on part 6 of this form. In part 5, you're going to be listing all the different exchanges. In part 6, you list these transactions with where the counterparty is not a U.S. person. We just take the total sum of all your trades, slap it in there, and say we don't really know who it is. We actually have a description of how we do that in Form 8275, which we'll talk about in the next video. But this way, at least you're disclosing that you did a lot of trades with crypto. Now, this form is not geared to cryptocurrency. The law that dictated this form was created before cryptocurrencies were a taxable issue. So we have to do a lot of things like fudging it to say unknown, or the country is China, and all this kind of stuff. But the key is disclose it. Don't worry about it, all right? You're safer to report it. And a couple other things about this form. If you fail to file this form when you should have, then the statute of limitations never starts on your tax return. Secondly, any income, in this case would be crypto trading income, not reported and should have been reported in this form, is subject to a 40% penalty on top of whatever the taxes are related to that income. So that's very significant. Plus there's the non-filing penalty. So this is a very important form, and the IRS loves it because it keeps the statute of limitations open for the rest of your life if you don't file it. So protect yourself and file this. If you have prior years where perhaps you should have filed this form, call our office at cryptotaxaudit.com, schedule a contact with our customer service manager, and work out a plan to correct that in prior years. That can be done so you can sleep better at night.